What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today I am on Lake Logan Martin. It's that time again to fish the 3-hour 3-fish bass tournament. We're gonna blast off. We're gonna be back here at 8:30 to weigh in. Last week we fished Neely Henry Lake above the dam. This is actually below that dam, way below the dam actually. So I'm fishing this one by myself again. This is the second tournament that I fished alone against teams. So if I win, I'm gonna win big. Enough talking. Let's get out here in the water, see if we can catch some big ones. All right, y'all, we're at our first stop, and it is a ledge off this island. We're up under Interstate I-20 runs right there. That's Chris and Chase running up under the bridge right now. We didn't run far. It's just about a half a mile from where we blasted off, but this is usually one of my good spots, especially when I'm kayak fishing, because I can get here pretty easy. But I've caught a pretty good bit right here off this little cliff. First cast. There's a lot of boats on the water. There's a good cliff. You can see on my, if you can see right there on my ranch, you can see there's a few fish stacked on that cliff right now. I'm gonna kind of spotlight right here. This is where I want to be. So I'm in 4 foot of water, believe it or not, way out here. There he is. Yep, finally. It's a stripe. Oh my God, wrong fish, guys, wrong fish. I was excited to even catch a fish because it's literally been over an hour. Oh man, he got his eye. Ah, don't get me, don't get me. Hold still, bro, hold still. This ain't what we're after. I was happy to get a bite though. It's a decent sized stripe. Look at that, guys. He's pretty good size. Not what we want though. All right, my chesty died, so I made a quick run. There's a point right here I can usually catch them on, and I feel like when I pulled up just now, well, I don't feel like I did see shad skipping across the top, so we're gonna fish this point right quick. And I might even throw TopWater over here. Oh yeah, they're right there. I might be able to get them with a TopWater right quick. Let's just see. Oh, he missed it. Got him, got him, got him, finally. Don't you come off. Did he come off? No, he's swimming towards me. Come on, baby. Be a good one, be a good one. Be a good one. He is a good one. Or I say he's a good one, he's a keeper. All right, did I hit spot lock? There we go, guys. I ain't even got my camera all the way up. There we go. That's what we need in the boat. That's what we need in the boat. He's over 12. It's not bad. First one in the live well. I better get some water going. See if we can get another one. Whew. Boy, we needed that. We needed that. We've got an hour left, guys. It's prime time to fish right now. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh man, they're coming out of the water over there. I gotta get over there. Oh, they're blowing up. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They're feeding right in front of me, but I can't get to them. Come on. They are just blowing up. They got the shad pushed up on that corner right there, it looks like. Oh, they're stopping. No. No, they're still there. They're still there. Oh wow, that was right in front of me. I threw too soon, guys. I threw too soon. All right, they're still there. Let's see if we can get in on this. Right there. They're blowing up right all around it. He hit it? Nope. Oh my God, look at them blow up. Look at them blowing up. They are blowing up on these shad. I'm so excited. I really want to get, oh, that's right on them. Got him. Oh, he missed it. He missed it. Oh my goodness. We've got to get, oh, look at them chase these shad in front of us, guys. All right, we have got to get these fish in the boat. He missed it. They keep missing it. I'm about to throw the jerkbait over there. And they keep tangling me up. I can't believe all these fish are feeding right here. And I haven't caught one yet. Look at this. They are just sitting here feeding in front of me. All right, I'm throwing a jerkbait. It's got more hooks. Come on, TJ. I need a pop R tied on for this. Oh my God. Got him. Got him. Yeah, they're small. Is he even still on? It is bass. It's not stripe. Oh, it's stripe. No. No. I'm going to waste all this time for stripe. Come on now. Don't hook me. Man, I wonder if it's only stripe. Do I keep fishing this spot in hopes that there's a bass? Oh, be a bass, not a stripe. There we go. It is a bass, so there are bass in here with them. That's good. I don't think he's 12 inches though. You think he's 12 inches, guys? I'm gonna stick him in there and we'll measure him back at the thing, because I ain't got time really to. I mean, they are right here in front of me. Look at that. Got him. Stripe or a bass, stripe or a bass. Oh, tiny stripe. These are the ones that are dangerous. Don't you hook. He about got me. Did I get stuff all over the lens? No. All right. 2 stripe and 1 bass. I keep fishing it. Oh. I gotta wipe my hands off. All right, last cast. I gotta put lights on the boat. We gotta go. All right. It is 10 minutes after 8. Well, it was too dark to finish filming last night during the weigh-in. It was just, I looked over the footage and it was just really too dark for me to upload, so I figured I'd give you guys an update at the end of the video here to let you know how it went down. Keith Russell actually won it. Congrats, Keith. It was really tough. As you've seen, it was really tough, but it's only a 3-hour tournament, so these tournaments are short. You either get on them and you win some money or you don't, and we wasn't able to do it, but I did catch a few. I still had a good time. It's always a fun day on the water. Even if you're not catching but 1 or 2 here and there, I still enjoy it out there. The majority of fish you see me catch, I caught on the Strike King KVD jerkbait. I caught them on this is the Guggen Squad Recon. It's the 8 to 12 foot diver. This one is the Chartreuse Blueback. These sell out quick. I get everything, all of my Guggen stuff, all of my hard bait tackle and soft bait tackle I get on shopcarls.com. If you ever see these available in the mini Recon or the Recon, this color, get it, because they sell out quick, because this is a really, really good color all over the country right now, especially right now, this time of year. And I also caught a few on the Super Spook Junior. This one doesn't swim as good as the Super Spook, the bigger one, you know. But as you've seen, they were really small anyway. They could barely hit, get this one in their mouth when they hit it most of the time, so the bigger one probably wouldn't have done us much better. But we still had a good time out there. I link all the gear that I use in the video description, every video that I have. Down in the video description, you'll see a link. It's www.kit.co/kayakusa. I'll put it right here. And it's also in the video description. If you're ever curious about the lures that I use, or you see me using something on my boat, you can click that link, guys. I think I got it labeled in all my videos, the gear that I use. You can click that link. It'll take you to my personal site where I've kind of lumped together links to everything that I use in all of my fishing, camping videos and stuff like that. So feel free to click the link. It'll take you there and you can get what I'm using. You can see where I get it and how much it is. And I usually try to find the cheapest price on everything that I use too. So it might help you guys out. We're gonna do this again next Friday night. It's gonna be on a different river. 3 hours, 3 fish. I'm really enjoying doing this. Like I said, it's tough sometimes, because if you don't get on them in the first couple of hours, like I didn't, it was an hour and a half before I got my first bite. And it's really hard to make up ground. It's really good if you can get out there and get 3 fish in the live well right off the bat. I think we did that last Friday night. If you hadn't seen that video, check it out. Last Friday night, I put 3 fish in the live well and we did pretty good in that tournament. So I guess I'll see you guys next week. If you're new and you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Even if you're not new, smash that thumbs up button. It goes a long way to help the channel out. But if you are new, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way to help me out, guys. Y'all share these videos if you can. Subscribe to the channel. Go watch some of my other videos and see what you think. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.